It's the blizzard of 2016. Annica and I are home, snowbound. Daddy is downtown working, and I'm about to go get Annica and wake her up and show her the snow. She was super excited about it yesterday, and overnight a whole bunch more fell. So I'm gonna let her take a look at it. Maybe a little bit later we'll go out and play in it. Good morning, sleepyhead. Hi. Do you want to go see the snow?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you think it snowed while you were asleep?
Up.
You want up? You want up? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. One sleepyhead girl out to see the snow. Look at all that snow. What do you see? Tell me about snow.
No.
No? Do you like it?
No.
Yeah? Do you want to go out in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you going to wait for me?
No.
Oh, should I try and open the door?
Yes.
I'm a little scared. It's so deep. You want to help me try it?
Yeah. So tired.
Whoa, look at that snow. You want to go touch it?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Well, just take a little step over there. Let's go. The snow is so deep, there's no way this little one can walk in it. So, we're gonna try a little walk in the pouch. Say hi.
Hi.
You ready to go in the snow?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Wow, there is a ton of snow.
Yeah.
It's wet. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you having fun?
No.
Why not? You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Touch the tree. Are you scared?
Yeah.
You silly.
Yeah.
You're so silly.
No. No.
It's still snowing. Whew. And it's blowing. What are you eating?
No. 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 No.
Is it snowing?
Yeah.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Are you all by yourself?
You gonna try? Okay, let's try. Hold it. Come on, come on. Oh. How many feet? 2 feet, right? What do you think?
Yeah, 2. Maybe more.
Oh. Oh, stop. Yes, stop. Where's your legs? Where's your legs?
Push, push, push. Take a big step.
You. Oh, you stop.
Hi. Are you eating the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah, open your mouth.
Blizzard day 2. We're about to go back out in it. You ready?
Yes.
You want to go see the snow?
Yes.
Do you think it's cold?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. All right. So I came out earlier to try and dig a path to get my car out. And I think I did a pretty good job, but the problem is, even if we got the car out, crunch, 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 there's no way to get it to the street because the lovely snowplow left us a ton of snow. You can see it's so deep. We had a wonderful neighbor who came and dug us out. You can see our sidewalk looks pretty nice. Oh, yeah. Look, looks pretty good down Roberts and up Roberts. But yeah, there's no this bank right here. This is up to my knees, and it only gets deeper as you head out to the street. So there's basically no way. No way. Hey, look who it is! Hi!
Hi. The second day of snow.
Yeah. It's a lot of snow. Here, parked in front of our neighbor's house, is a Prius. You're gonna have some fun digging that out. Wow, this is a giant snowbank up on the corner of Roberts and Piedmont. Whew. Yeah, you can't even get all of it in one picture. That's huge.
No, man. Can you help me to do another one? Yeah, come on. Still snow.
Are you stuck?
Oh, you're not stuck. You're not stuck. Annica? Annica? Hey.
You want to touch him?
No.
Don't knock him over, though.
How do you feel?
No.
How do you feel? Snow. Nice. Gentle, okay? You want to kiss?
Yeah.
Just kiss, okay? Don't eat. Go kiss. Go kiss him. Kiss, 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 kiss.
Oh, good job.
Didn't eat carrot. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
No, you cannot eat this one. This is his nose. His nose.
No. That no.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh, that snowman.
Right
Are you ready, Annica?
Okay.
Ready?
Hold the rope.
Put the rope.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Whoa!
That's
Stuck.
as far as we go.
Stuck. It doesn't work, right?
Okay, that was a good try. I think that's as far as we're gonna go.
Stuck?
Whoa.
Come on, let's be a snowman with me.
You wanna go back to your snowman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's go.
We can do that together. Come on. Come on, touch it. Touch. You can sit down. No, okay. No, you don't take it off. You'll get cold if you take it off. I want to be taller.
I don't mean one hug.
Oh, you want to hop? You can hop this one. There's a new one.
Annica, did you miss Daddy this weekend? Annica, can you throw a snowball at him?
You're gonna throw a snowball at Daddy? Whoa. Was that a big snowball or a little snowball?
No ball.
Whoa, that's a big snowball. Can you throw it at me? You can throw it at me.
So Tim is finally home after spending all of Blizzard 2016 downtown working hard. It's Monday evening. He just shoveled out the driveway, so we think we can get the car out hopefully tomorrow. Tonight it looks like the roads are still a little icy up here on Bellevue Forest, so we're gonna stay put. But I think it's been a long couple of days for everybody, huh?
I'm glad to be home. Now I'm ready for the snow to disappear.
Annica, do you want the snow to disappear?
Annica, do you like the snow?
Yeah.
You're the only one?